It's Patrick and Pals. So we're getting ready to time our Cobra. We've got the air-fuel mixture at 14.7 to 1 at idle, which is perfect. And now we're going to set the timing. Most small block engines, like this 351Windsor, like 37 degrees total timing. You want the timing to be all in by 3,000 RPM. So what that means is, when you're at idle, you don't have 27 or 37 degrees timing. But when you rev up the engine, all of the timing, in other words, you have 37 degrees into the engine by the time you reach 3,000 RPM. Now, if timing comes in too soon, it'll make the engine detonate. If it comes in too late, you won't have any power. It'll be a dog. So you've got to put it right. The other thing is you've got to have the right amount of timing. You wouldn't want to go 50 degrees timing. That's way too much. You wouldn't want to go 20 degrees. That's way too little. These engines like 37 degrees total. Now, something that you look at here, when you look at this distributor, what's missing? A vacuum advance. This is a non-vacuum advance distributor. You're able to get away with this in this engine because it's radically cammed. A normal engine, a street engine that didn't have a high lift and high duration camshaft would not be able to run properly with this distributor. But because this engine is radical, we can get away without running a vacuum advance. If you have an engine and it needs to have the air-fuel mixture set and the timing set, bring it to Pals. See you soon.